Welcome back to part 2 of our Buzzy Bee tutorial. It's time to make the wings.
As I said, feel free to have white. My white ran out and I had this beautiful, very colorful and joyful yarn. So let's see what a lovely colorful wings this bumblebee will have. So as this one, we are going to create our magic ring differently. So do the slip knot, and we will do 1, 2 chain, and we will go in the second chain from the hook and do slip stitch. So now I would like to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to do treble crochet. So we're going to yarn twice, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and 1 yarn over, pull through 2. So when this yarn gets smaller, I always do them in a little bow so it will go around everywhere. And now we're going to do another treble crochet, and another one, and these wings will be so lovely. And now we're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we'll go back into the magic ring and slip stitch. Then we are going to chain 4, 2, 3, 4, and do 3 treble crochets. 1, 2, 3. And 1 more. And now we're going to do 4 chain. I'll put it here. So now we are going to go around and just do a single crochet. So here we'll do 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here we'll do 2. So 5 on the side and 2 in between the treble crochets. We'll go in the magic ring and just do slip stitch, and again we'll repeat with this wing, 5 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 in between, 2 in here, and then I will do 5 here, 5 single crochets. And then we'll do slip stitch, and then chain, and then a little bit longer, 1 and pull. So these are our wings. So what we'll do, we will stitch them here. Such a cute wings. So I'm going to use this longer yarn, and then I'll tie with the rest. It's actually what we can do. This tiny edge, which we will need so we can tie it, we'll just pull it in, and then I will go like that, in and out. So we have the wings in the middle between these two and black spots. Then we'll go in and out again. You just need to make them secure, so if they're pulled not to come out, just a few times. I think these colorful wings are so pretty. And I always like creating unique stuff, so this was the perfect one. Which it is much easier to do it now rather than later on. And I'll do twice here, and then I'll tie it at the bottom. So at least one of the wings and needs to be longer. And don't worry to cut it, it can stay inside as part of the filling. I'll do 3 or 4 knots just in case. And one more. Okay. Yay! You need to stay here. We haven't finished you. You can't fly away. So now we'll continue. So this will be our 14th round where we are going to start decreasing. And I'll show you how I do my invisible decrease. So it will be the first stitch single crochet, second stitch single crochet, and then we will do the decrease. Take like this. The first one we have the front loop only, and now we pull through and then do the third stitch. This was the decrease. I'll show you again. This is 1, 2, and now for this one we do the front loop, going to the second front loop, yarn over, pull through, and then pull through here, and then finish the single crochet. 1, 2, we need to do 3 more, and now the decrease, front loop, the other front loop, and 2 more. And the last one. Okay, so now we have another decrease. It will be 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. So in this 14th round we have 18 left, and then we decrease another 6. It will be 12 left in the 15th round. So we chain 1, we do 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. One single crochet, 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, Okay, so what I'll advise now is to do the stuffing, and then we will do the rest. So I normally will hold this like this and start putting that. So you can make it as soft or as hard as you want. Mine is anti-allergic stuffing. Okay, so our 16th row, so here we are going only decreasing until the end. And at the same time we'll keep all the filling in so it doesn't come through the project. So what I'll do now, I will cut a little bit longer. I'll put this through. And I'll use the yarning needle. You could have continued, keep working it, but I'll show you this way. So now we'll go like that in each left stitch to close the gap. I think this is the last one. And then we'll push it in. And then we'll hide this. Okay, so this is our beauty. This will be the back and this will be the front. And now we're going, as I said, either you could have you could put safety eyes. I'm going to embroider mine, and I'll show you how in a moment. So I will need some of the black chunky yarn. I'll push it somewhere here from the black. So we need to choose where our eyes would be. So this is first round, second, third. I will do it around on round 4, and I'll try and be symmetric. So if the wings are here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will go there. And here I'll leave a little tail. And I will put it here, and then in the next one, let me just see. Actually, I'll go 2 slots. So jump 1 and go under this one. And here I will count 1, 2, 3, and it will be onto the 4th one, 4th stitch. And this one I'll skip this one and go here. so the eyes would look cute like that. And then the mouth, I'm going to go on the third round somewhere here. You can choose, can you see now how this is coming out? It's alright, we don't want it much out, but sometimes you can't help it. So try not to be too tight, so both of the eyes can look roughly the same, although each individual toy has its own character as they're handmade, and even if you want to repeat the same impression, you can't. So we're going to do, actually I may want a bigger smile. Let me see if I can go one up, or even two up. Our bumblebee will be very smiley. And then I will go here because I want to make sure that the smile doesn't flip. So I'll go back into there. So if you want, you can do, let's do it here, another one, so you can secure just the smile to stay nice and smiley, because it may move. And then put one here as well. You don't need to pull very tight. And here the last one. And then we need to go to here where we started. So here we can tie a knot. And then I do with the yarning needle, I go and try and push it in. This is our very cute and cheeky bumblebee. As she has purple and pinky wings, we may put a little bit of a rosy cheek on her. Let me see. Okay, so I decided that this little missy will have a rosy cheeks, and let's do it together. One here and one here. Gosh, she's so cute. And here is your gorgeous Buzzy Bee with the rosy cheeks. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share and comment. See you next time. Bye bye.